What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Grom, we're going to be installing the tuned ECU from DHM. I'll put the link in the description. Basically, I just got it tuned for my future intake and my Yoshimura exhaust that I have. So it's quick, simple install. What you're gonna have to do, we're basically gonna take off the seat and basically take the fairing off. It's just a couple of screws. There's 3 screws here, a little Allen key and 2 Allen keys, and then when you turn the headlight or the bars, it actually has 2 little clips. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah. Alright, so I got the fairing off. It's, the 2 little push clips and then a little Phillips up here and a Phillips by the gas tank. And there's 2 right here and right here, 10mm bolts that you need to get to. So what you can do is you can disconnect the negative battery because the ECU is right here. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I disconnected the battery. Basically all you're gonna do is just pull it out and you just unclip it. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, now we got the old ECU out. I will have to probably tape that up a little bit. But yeah, basically all it is a plug and play. So it's tuned for an intake, exhaust, and the rev limiter is set to 9,072, I want to say. So that's going to give me a little more top end. So basically all you do, you take the old one or the new one and you just plug it in. Like that. Alright, so I had to call my buddy Bronco. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this and then the 2 connectors. You're gonna make you could use like a paper clip, or I used wires, and you're basically gonna turn it on and it's gonna flash for 10 minutes or 10 seconds. So you're gonna do that for 10 seconds and then turn it off and then plug it back up and that'll be good. So now we're gonna get onto the ECU. So with the ECU, with the paper clip in, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put down on the throttle and then turn the ignition on. You're not gonna start the bike, and then your check engine light's gonna come on. While holding that, you count to 5, and then basically you let go, you give it some time, and then it'll go off. Then you take the paper clip out, and then turn the ignition off. So hopefully you guys like this video. Big shout out to Bronco. Thank you very much for your knowledge and helping me figure out what I have to do. I'll see you guys in the next one.